Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm walking you through the full process of deleting your account, what you need to check beforehand, and what happens once the deletion is complete. When you open your account settings, you'll find the Delete Account option waiting for you. Once you tap on it, the system will show a detailed summary of everything linked to your profile. This includes any sub-accounts that might still be active and any remaining assets that you haven't moved or withdrawn yet. It's really important to look over this page carefully. Deleting your account is permanent, so you want to make sure there's nothing left behind and that you fully understand what you're about to confirm. After reviewing the information, you'll be asked to verify your identity one more time. The platform will send you a security check to make sure the deletion request is actually coming from you. Just complete the verification the same way you normally would, and once it goes through, the system will begin closing your account. When the process finishes, your account will be permanently removed and you won't be able to log in or recover it afterward. And that's everything you need to know. If this video helped, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you all in the next one.